Hello students, have a wonderful day. Welcome to online class from Blue Stars Higher Secondary School. This is the class for 5th standard and subject English. Students, today we are going to learn a new poem, Topsy Turvy Land, from Unit 7. So students, in your previous class, you have learned Unit 1, Unit 2 and Unit 3. So today we are going to see Unit 7, the poem Topsy Turvy Land. So now take page number 110 in your English textbook. So this is your textbook. Now we are going to read the poem Topsy Turvy Land. Students, while I am reading, keep your finger in a particular word. The people walk upon their heads. The sea is made of sand. The children go to school by night in topsy-turvy land. The front doorstep is at the back. You are walking when you stand. You wear your hat upon your feet in topsy-turvy land, and buses on the sea you will meet, while pleasure boats are planned to travel up and down the streets of topsy-turvy land. You pay for what you never get. I think it must be grand, for when you go, you are coming back in topsy-turvy land. So the poem Topsy-Turvy Land is written by H.E. Wilkinson. So it is a very interesting poem that takes us to the land where everything is upside down. It tells us about a strange land where nothing is normal. In fact, the normal that we live in everything is the opposite of that in this land. It has many amusing things. For instance, the sea does not contain water, and instead it is full of sand. Similarly, there are many other strange things going on in this land which the poem mentions, like how the children do not go to school during the day. Rather, they go to school at night. So it is an entertaining poem. So students, this is the theme of the poem Topsy Turvy Land. So now you are going to learn this poem elaborately in upcoming video. Thank you.